And while we're doing this job, we need to replace the water pump since we're already in here. So go ahead and move that 10mm on the far left of the water pump, which is holding in the alternator. There are two 12mm holding in the inlet to the water pump on this right side. Move that hosing to make it a little bit easier. Top and bottom. A little tight, but not too bad. And now go ahead and give it a little hammering and it'll open up right up. Now remove the last three 10mm. Let's go ahead and remove this spring, keep it to the side because we are going to use that rubber casing. Now pull the water pump right out. Now I knew this water pump had a slight leak because it was wet right down here, I forgot to mention earlier, which is why I was losing coolant. Go ahead and clean the mating surface with a plastic scraper. You can opt to use a metal scraper, but that would be very dangerous because you don't want to gouge the surface. Like on this housing to the right, that was very hard to remove. So I went ahead and used some oven degreaser to make it a little bit easier, which it helped a little bit, but I had to break out the metal scraper and be very careful to not gouge it. And it is super clean now. Now go ahead and add some gasket maker on the water pump itself so it'll keep the water pump gasket in place. Add that rubber piece on top and put it right in. It wedges up underneath the galley on the top, so don't forget about that. And we can start adding the bolts in place, just finger tight for right now. Go ahead and torque them to spec. Now go ahead and slide this gasket in between the galleyway, and while you're sliding it in, hold it in place and place in the top bolt, then place in the bottom bolt, and make sure the gasket is in place correctly.